welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be doing an iPad unboxing. I'm so excited. So yesterday I got an iPad, I got the Magic Keyboard, and then I also got the pencil. I am so excited. So I'm gonna unbox and set it up and show you guys the accessories that I got. I literally cannot wait. I have never had an iPad before. I've been thinking about getting one for a while. Basically, I got it for all of the admin type work that I do. So I do YouTube full time as like my job. So I do a lot of like typing up the descriptions for my video, like linking products in the description, scheduling out like what videos. So I post like multiple times, like 2 to 3 times a week. And then also like replying to emails, making thumbnails, all that kind of stuff, editing pictures for my Instagram. I have the MacBook Pro with the M1 chip, and it's pretty thick and it's pretty heavy. I just feel like I'm always taking it with me everywhere, constantly. I feel like the iPad would be very convenient for if I'm going somewhere and I want to get a little bit of work done, if I plan on maybe possibly having some free time, but I don't want to like look around a really big computer. And we had tax-free in Missouri, so it was actually tax-free. Plus Apple had like some back to school deals. I decided to finally do it. Let's just get into it. Here it is. The actual iPad that I got is the iPad Pro 11-inch in silver. I just love the silver. So classic, so sleek. Comment below which like Apple color is your favorite. Also, I forgot to say, definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Thumbs up this video if you like Apple unboxing videos and if you'd like to see more on my channel. And I got this with 512 gigs. I would have done the Air instead of the Pro, but only went up to 256 gigs. My phone currently, I think it's right at like 200 or just a little over 200 gigs. So I'm almost over 256 gigs on my phone. My computer, I've used like 600 gigs. So I just figured 200 would not be enough. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna fill this up, but I figured 200 I could fill up really fast or even just while setting it up. So I figured 500 gigs would be a better option. And since the Air did not come in 500 gigs, that's why I decided to get the Pro, mainly for the storage. But if you don't need that much storage, I feel like the Air is really good because they both have the M1 chip. I feel like they're very, very similar. I got this with Wi-Fi. You can get Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi cellular. Basically the cellular, you can add it to like your cell phone plan and be able to use it without Wi-Fi like you do your phone. But I just did Wi-Fi. There's like a little tab here. I'm so excited. Here it is. Oh my gosh, it's actually really thin, like lighter than I was expecting. This is really light and small, like, oh my gosh. I'm scared I'm gonna scratch it or something. Ah, look at it, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's so stunning. See, this is the 11-inch and I feel like this is still a really good size. I was thinking like, should I get the 12.9? But no, this is a really good size. This is like perfect. This is like the classic iPad size. We're gonna set it down. Inside of the box, we have this little manual, I believe. It's like the instructions. And then we have a little charging box and a cord. So we actually got the box. That is nice because they don't give you the box with the phones. These little stickers are in there as well. That's everything in here. I'm sad, I feel like the unboxing went by so fast. I literally can't get over how stunning this is. I really do want to get a case on it because I'm really scared that I'm gonna scratch it like with my rings or nails or whatever. I'm just gonna do a little accessories haul of all the like extra things I picked up. First up, I got the Apple Pencil. I figured this would be really nice to have. My dad actually has an iPad and I was kind of like playing around with his to see if it's something I would like. With it being a touchscreen and being so big, I feel like the Apple Pencil just makes it kind of like easier to use, and like with the calendar app, easier to move around my stuff. I was watching an unboxing video and the girl said it's kind of like a DS and a stylus, and I just love that comparison. But yeah, I feel like it's just kind of makes it easier to use. Oh. I literally drop it. I was just gonna show. It's like so nice. Oh, you gotta make it. I literally dropped it twice. Okay, just forget it. I just wanted to show you guys how nice it is in the little box, but you can't even see anyways. Oh my gosh. I'm literally done. I'm literally finally done. It's brand new and I just dropped it 3 times. 3 times I dropped it. We're done. I can't believe I just dropped it. Not 1, not 2, but 3 times. This is not going well for me so far. It's so clean and crisp. I'm scared to show you guys because I really just don't want to drop it a 4th time. Got the Apple Pencil. I believe it's like magnetic to the top of the iPad. Kind of like a matte finish. I feel like it's gonna get dirty because it's so like white and clean. Anyways, I got that. Like, can I get a case for the pencil? Bye. I feel like I need to get a case for the pencil. Can you do that? There is a manual, which maybe I need to read. Moving along, I also got the Magic Keyboard. This is like what I really think I'm gonna use to kind of like type on there and kind of, you know, reply to emails, type stuff up on my calendar, type up links and stuff. So I really think that the keyboard is gonna be the most like essential part. And I really wanted the Apple one just because I feel like it's so nice. It kind of folds into a case, sort of, it looks like. There's the little tab. What? It didn't work. It kind of worked. The anticipation. I love it. Ooh. This is nice. Oh, okay. Here is the little keyboard. It's like a little mini keyboard. It's so cute. So cute. And it's so like nice. It's like a nice soft like case as well. And it's like white and clean and cute. I literally feel like you guys can't see though. Anyways, I got the white. I'm worried it might get dirty, but I figure I can clean it. And then the top part is like a little case, like a really nice case. And it has the Apple symbol on it. Super nice. We're just gonna set all of this aside for right now. I also got a screen protector. I'm not sure how necessary this is, but I want the screen to stay nice and new. I'm just afraid I could scratch it, you know, like rings, nails. I feel like it's sitting on the couch and my dog jumps on the couch and scratches it. So I just feel like it's good to protect the screen when it's nice and new. So I just got this one from Best Buy. This is the brand I've used for my phones in the past. Right now I have a Case to Buy one, but I've used this brand before and it's always worked really well for my phone. You can pay $14 more and they will put it on there for you. And if it does like break or shatter or get scratched, peel off or anything like that, they will like replace it and put a new one on there for you. So I paid the $14 more. So I did this one, but I'm gonna take it in there and have them do it because I feel like if I do it, I might not get it all lined up right, or I might put bubbles or whatever. So I'm just gonna have them do it. I'll just probably do that today or something, or tomorrow. I also got this pink case from Amazon. It's just like a nice like little light pink case, kind of cute, kind of fun. With the keyboard that will be on it most of the time, it's neutral color. I'm gonna get this on there now so I can use it. I think this kind of like folds up so you can kind of like prop it up or whatever. It's kind of like hard on the back and then like plastic and then soft. Here it is with the case. So now it's time to actually get it all set up and turn it on. Here we go. Hello. Wait, can I use the pen to do this? Will it work? Do you have to like turn it on or something? Bring your current iPhone or iPad near to sign in and set up. Set up new iPad, okay. Hold your new iPad up to the camera. Face ID, this part is always fun. I think I got everything all set up. It downloaded a software update and now we are back to this screen. So it says software update to begin restoring the backup into your Apple ID password. Store from iCloud. This is gonna take a long time. It looks like the iCloud backup is done. It didn't back up everything because my screensaver is not the same as it is on my phone, but here it is. We definitely need to do a lot of customizing. I'm gonna get the keyboard set up because I'm really curious to use it. It might be helpful as I'm setting the other stuff up. Oh, it already works. Like it's literally already working. I don't even need to do anything. But this is not working.
This is how to set it up. Well, that's where you attach your Apple Pencil in, and we're gonna see Apple Pencil right there.
I had it in the wrong place. I've been playing around on my new iPad. That sounds so weird to say. Kind of getting it set up. So as you can see, I have like a new screensaver and I've been kind of organizing the apps, adding some widgets, customizing, stuff like that. It's not completely organized how I'd like yet. I'm still kind of getting it all set up, but I just kind of wanted to show a little bit of the setting up and customizing process. I just downloaded this picture from Pinterest. I actually have a whole board on my Pinterest page of screensavers, so I'll link my Pinterest below. And then I had a collage that I made in my summer glow up vlog. Like I made like a summer mood board, so I set that as my lock screen. And then as you can see, I just kind of added some widgets here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it like this or if I'll change it, but yeah, I'm just kind of getting my apps organized. So that is the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did, and comment below your favorite Apple product or any of your favorite like iPad apps or apps in general that I should download on my new iPad. Definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.